team clear. Heading to surface.
All teams, eyes on target. Phase 1 complete. Charlie copies. We're set.
Roger that. Moving to phase 2. Patrol boat 2 o'clock. Get under.
Stay tight. Rog, no movement.
Good hook. Let's get up top.
All teams, Alpha's on the axe. What's your status? Bravo's over the DZ.
Charlie standing by.
Nods on. Strug's on.
Keep it quiet. Bravo is inbound. Solid copy. Move to set. Bravo inbound. All teams, Bravo's on deck. Pushing up. Alpha to Charlie, you set?
Affirm.
All teams, green to go in phase 2.
Check.
Rog. Moving interior. All clear.
Descending stairwell, south side.
All shooters be advised, enemies launching an attack bird. Copy, we're heads up.
Movement in the courtyard. Looks like a prisoner transfer.
Not our guy. On me. We hold for Charlie to light the fire, then head for the hatch in the courtyard to move interior. Hold up here. All teams, Alpha's in position. Copy, Bravo set.
Charge is hot. Charlie good to go.
Fire in the hole. Stand by.
3, 2, 1. Execute.
Reinforcements! Shooter, second floor, windows.
Roger, windows!
Clear. 2-1, rally the hatch for entry.
Enemies incoming. Get underground.
Bravo, Alpha's in the tunnels. What's your status? Outside the control room, waiting on you. Copy, at the air duct, stand by.
All teams, let's roll thunder. Bravo, pull the plug.
Rog, blackout in 3, 2, 1, execute. All teams, Bravo's got the keys. Copy. Target the guards only. Use the inmates for cover when we kick off the riot. Clear. More in the cell blocks left side. Smoke 'em. Hold. Stay high. Kill those flashlights.
Bravo, kick off the riot.
Roger. Opening blocks 1 through 4. Clear. Check the next cell block. Stay sharp. Guards know where we are. Bravo. Open cell blocks in level 2.
Drop them.
Copy.
Let's go.
Opening. Contact.
Block is clear. Heading down.
Descend to 1. Alpha 1 to Bravo 1. Open 55T. Check.
Alpha moving to sub-level X4.
Contact. Clear. Alpha moving on sub-level. Let's get our guy.
Ready, breach? Breach you up. Alpha's on target, stand by. Flare. Step into the light.
Сколько ж времени прошло, Ваня?
All stations PID on 627.
Copy. Opening 627.
Железный план.
Любой план зависит от его выполнения. Это только начало.
All teams, we have him. Moving in 30.
Для меня это большая честь, командир Макаров.
6 лет.
22 дня, 4 часа. Браток.
Рад видеть вас обоих. Тебя тоже.
Что вы добились в этой камере?
Это только верхушка айсберга. All stations, this is your commander, Vladimir Makarov. Call sign Tsar 90 actual. I have the com. Move to phase 3. Out. On me. Vanya, I trust the exfil plan is intact.
Так точно, командир. We head up the elevator and walk out the front door. I'll be in position on the other side.
Хорошо. Чем проще, тем лучше. До поры до времени.
Contact! Let's go!
Andrei, gear up and let's move.
На какой стороне?
Они у шкафчиков!
Clear.
Alpha 2-1 to Charlie. Actual secure, we're moving to Exfil. Приготовиться.
Alpha 1 ascending an elevator, actual secure. Prep for exfil. How copy?
All stations, top side is hot, top side is hot. Troops in contact.
Copy, stand by. Охрана блокирует право наверху. Задерживаем вертолет.
Скоро поднимутся зэки, чтобы отвлечь охрану. Это наш шанс. Задержка увеличит риск. Андрей, who holds power in this gulag? The guards or the prisoners?
Neither.
Yes, Андрей, very good. Power is held by those who seize it. Молодец, воин. Покажите это своими действиями. За мной!
All stations, we got an MC nest active on the watchtower.
Tsar to Raptor, requesting immediate fire on the courtyard tower. How copy?
Roger that. Raptor's inbound. Raptor to ground. Target acquired. Danger close.
Copy, rain fire.
Shots out. Shots out. Box 2. Direct. Target destroyed.
Get to the tunnel, that's our exit. Я вижу ворота! Давай, вперед! Мы почти на свободе!
Heads up! The enemy kilo is overhead.
Should have taken it out when you had the chance. Don't worry, it's focused on the prisoner. Got them on the run. Молодцы!
Отлично. Losing ground.
Let's get these guns down and get off the ass. We're clear. Let's go. Charlie, we're coming to you now. Charlie was supposed to handle that helo. If it was a problem, you should have dealt with it. Follow the cliffside to the water. Our boats will provide covering fire. Shooters on the walls. Ignore them. Get to the boat. Андрей, давай! Я держу! Командир! Давай, давай, давай!
Пронесло! Мы ваши должники, командир!
Тут нет должников. Есть только преданность. Непоколебимая преданность.